As a pastor, I'm involved in a lot of funerals. And probably the hardest part of every funeral is coming out here to the graveyard. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. The reality, the finality, the horror of death is all around us. And we're reminded we're sinful human beings who deserve God's punishment. We need an answer to this. We need an answer to death. And in Jesus, you have it. Jesus not only died, but he also rose from the dead on Easter Sunday morning. And because he rose, he's won life for you and for me. God works faith in our heart by hearing the message. We want you to hear the message so that God can give you life.